So I'm going to be motorbike racing in this game. And if I crash into another car, I want you to tell me whose fault it is. So I'm going to keep my mouth shut the entire ride until I crash. Okay, here we go. Watch us completely die now. We have to show the replay. Okay, let's see it. Now I gotta go back to the main menu and pick my bike. Okay, I'll just take this one. Let's have a top speed of 75 miles per hour. Go into my I've been a bike for maybe a day and a half. So, a lot of vehicles like to turn off mine. Because, well, it's AI, they do whatever they want. This is our game. Ow. Ow. My face. Okay, let's get. Yep. Hey. I swear my face is strawberry here tonight. Top speed 99 miles per hour. Let's see how that goes. sucks. Oh, whoa, whoa. Just drive. I about crap. I was just cracking my pants. Mamma mia, my yellow car. Turning on right on the highway. Ow. That hurt a kind of bit. Okay, well, well, I gotta do it. And that means I'm gonna kill myself. Okay, okay, I need to shut up. Okay, we go. She pulled out in front of me like an idiot. What the crap? I know I could have turned back to my lane. Why? I get cut off, wreck my bike, she just drives off like nothing happened. Like that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get up. Yeah, sure, I will. Then my volume just quit working. Yep. Well, I have an electric bike. I just rammed into the back of a truck. Boo. Oh crap. Oh snap, Billy! I'm stuck between a fire truck now. No, just thank you. Thank you. I got one more bike test out, and that's, hang on, I gotta pull over. And I gotta pause it. Okay, they just want to tell me to drive safe. That's all. Oh crap, I about just took out Grandpa. What? The top speed is 150. I was going 130. You know, I'm probably in that state. No helmet, no body, you're just a death metal shirt. I'm probably dead if I crashed that in real life. Wanna know why? My head be cracked on open on the sidewalk. Well, you can see the speed odometer thing better. I see that, then I get distracted. My legs did a cross. Okay, I'm just gonna hit top speed. Oops. Okay, one last time. Jump. I jumped alright. You know what time it is? Darling, I'm coming. If I crash this video and